Hey everybody, it's Streamline Steamroller. So this here is an eBay purchase. Recently I've been selling a bunch of things, and in that bunch has been some large mainline HO steam locomotives, some brass ones. And I decided that I would buy something to replace some of them, because some of them I kind of needed for my operations. Also, there's a space in my cabinet right now from where a 210-2 Santa Fe was. So that might give you a little insight at what could be in this box. But we're gonna find out. Well, one-handed. We're gonna find out what's inside. This could be pretty good or pretty bad. Seller was a little sketchy. Let's find out. Right then. Opened up the box. Here she is. Dun, 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 dun. It's our red box. That's what I bought to replace everything. But it's not just any red box. If I turn it to the side. Oh. Oh. Oh no, little SP logo's gone. I'll have to find a sticker to replace that. Alright. Again, this guy was a little sketchy, so it's going to be really good or really bad. Here we go. Box is coming off. Seems like there's a pretty good weight to it. There's a lot of packing in it. This should be good. My goodness, I can't get this one hand. This is a big box. Come on. Okay. So it looks like we have the original instructions in here. West Side Model Company, Los Altos, California. Southern Pacific version, or Western Pacific version. Gonna get that guy next, maybe. This is placement for all the decals. Oh, that's very nice. That's really nice. That's cool. Okay, let's see what we got here. Replacement foam. Oh, look at this. Spare decals. You ever need any spare decals? Well, I got them. You can't have them. They're mine. What's in here? Ooh, that's old foam. Ew. It's disgusting. I hate old foam. It's all garbage. Okay, so it looks like it's decently packaged. A little bit of foam on there. There's a tender. It's pretty tender. And here we go. Peace and resistance. The locomotive. This is a 1975 run GS6 by West Side Models. It was made in Japan by... Who the heck made this? Pardon the mess, too. Who's this made by? Katsumi. Katsumi! Alright, let's see what this baby girl looks like. Oh, she's... From the photos online, she looked like a pretty lady. Oh, and she is. Oh, look at that. That's sick. Of course you can't see because the stupid light isn't working. Take a look at my lighting for videos. That's a money shot. Look at that. Insane. Now, oops. I already noticed something broken on here. Here's the throttle linkage. Oh, I just fixed it. Haha. Look at how good I am. Yeah, okay, that'll have to be re-glued or... So, well, probably not so. I'll just probably leave it. It's okay. But, yeah, look at this guy. Katsumi. It's got a little Pitman motor in there. Cool. So it'll actually pull things. Get this guy out of the way. So yeah, so engine width tender looks like. Let's see, there's some foam on here. This is probably the original 1970s foam, stuff that disintegrated all the time. Yeah, I'll have to figure out how to get that off. Yeah, okay, no foam damage, which is good. It's a little blemish on the paint on the tender. You can barely see it though, nobody will notice. Oh, I couldn't see it in the photos either, so. But my goodness, she's a pretty lady. I actually forgot tax was a thing on this thing. I paid a lot more than I was hoping to, but you know what? You know what? I think it's worth it. Fix that. There we go. There she is. Southern Pacific 4466. So, guess we should see if she runs. So let me go over to the little test track I've set up on the floor and see what's there. Right then, so again, part of the mess. We're working on cleaning up this room. Selling stuff. Getting ready to move out permanently. But anyways, so here she is, all of her glory. Pretty train. What a pretty engine. We got her hooked up to the house burner power supply. Let's see if she conducts power. Alright, that's a good sign. And away she goes. Oh, she needs cleaning. Come on. Ooh. Mmm. Yummy. Yeah, she'll run. She's trying to run. That tender needs a lot of work.